TCL Q85H soundbar. Main features are: TCL Q85H is a flagship 7.1.4 channel home theater soundbar system delivering premium object-based audio through a total of 15 individual drivers. True 7.1.4 channel setup. Houses 7 main horizontal sound channels, 1 independent wireless subwoofer, and 4 dedicated vertical upfiring drivers. Cinematic formats. Fully decodes uncompressed Dolby Atmos and DTS. X audio tracks for authentic overhead and behind-the-couch tracking. 200-watt wireless subwoofer. Equipped with a 6.5-inch driver constructed with large ferrite magnets and a convex elastic wave diaphragm to minimize deep bass distortion. 2D choral mode. Pairs with compatible TCL smart TVs to blend the television's internal speakers with the soundbar. It intelligently separates frequency bands, using the TV to heighten center channel vocal clarity. AI sonic adaptation. Calibrates sound using room correction algorithms through the TCL Home app. It detects walls and furniture layouts to tune the acoustic sweet spot to your seating position. Premium glazed string aesthetics. Designed using a gloss-finished glass top panel layered over a hidden LED status matrix, blending seamlessly with premium television stands. HDMI ERC 2.1 pass-through. Guarantees ultra-low latency audio sync from your television and passes 4K video signals. Wireless casting. Includes Apple AirPlay 2 and Bluetooth 5.1 for seamless high-fidelity music streaming from iOS and Android devices.